remember you used to have a Beetle build, now you have an SUV build.
Yeah, the Beetle had a draw to it.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Try to look in the door. Whoa. I remember you used to have a Beetle build, now you have an SUV build.
Yeah, the Beetle had a draw to it, and it kept killing batteries, and I couldn't afford.
So you have 2 of 4. Does something happen, or is it louder with 2?
The other 2 ain't even in yet. They were supposed to be in yesterday, but they ain't gonna be here till Tuesday.
Oh, so you just made it play for what you got. Okay.
Do a 55 force.
With 2? Wow. How much power?
500s and 100 amp hour underground lithium.
Okay. All right. But it still peaks. What is it peaking at?
45.
45. Wow, that's actually a pretty good peak.
Sealed.
Did you dial this in yet?
I didn't build this.
Oh, you didn't build it? Oh, well, thank you.
I'll give credit to the builder, Adam Romano.
Adam Romano. Okay.
I tried to contact him. He don't want to mess with me back. So.
All right. Okay. Take a look at the back. Is it open?
Yeah.
And these are wired to at 1 ohm right now, or strapped? When you get all 4, it'll be 1 and 1, or half ohm.
Well, really, I'm gonna run this one at a half ohm for the bottom 2, and that one at a half ohm for the top 2.
Got it.
I clamped 5200 out of just 1 at a half ohm.
Man, some good amps.
And then I'm going to ZVXs. They're gonna run 4 at a half ohm, 1 per sub. Awesome.
And this is underground lithium.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walker we just got of Payton's system. And also, as he was talking about with his previous system, the Beating Beetle. This was the thumbnail. Previous video link in the description. Definitely recommend checking it out. He's come a long way over the years. And this was at the Savannah Seaport show in 2021, Savannah, Georgia's show. So he's definitely come a long way. Go ahead and comment. Give him some positive feedback. Let him know what you think about his system with some positive things. He only has 2 of the 4 subwoofers for this video ran. That's why he has the top 2 subwoofer box plugged for be able to get the most output with what he had until his other subwoofers came in. So that's why he had them plugged up. Definitely pretty impressive for only 2 18-inch subwoofers instead of 4 as he got in later. So with the amplifiers in the back, he had only 1 of them ran at half ohm, and then he decided to run 2 and strap them at 2 ohm. That was a pretty impressive discussion to see how much power he got out of 1 versus 2, and minimal difference with 2 amps versus 1. So that kind of shows you an opportunity. If you run 1 amp lower, not as efficient and clean signal, but you might get just as much power out of 1 over 2, but you can't play as long, of course. So there's always pros and cons to everything. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos on YouTube, JacobViral every day, and enjoy this bass demo. Pretty impressive.
Money, suit and tie, I can read you.
The subs are unloading a little bit, or are they in separate chambers? It just seems like it plays the lows, but like it unloads a little bit at the low end. I don't know.
Yeah,
they still toying with it?
It goes, yeah, it's got loading issues.
But it still peaks. What is it peaking at?
45.
45. Wow, that's actually a pretty good peak.
Sealed.
Did you dial this in yet?
I didn't build this.
Oh, you didn't build it? Oh, well, thank you.
I'll give credit to the builder, Adam Romano.
Adam Romano. Okay.
I tried to contact him. He don't want to mess with me back. So.
Okay. Well, thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you again, Payton. All right, Payton, you have a good day.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.